If we want to edit this text over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we have the text options over here, the styling over here, and the advanced settings over here. For the content, we can customize the text over here. We can also use AI like so, and customize the text that we already have with those options over here, or using a new prompt from over here, like so. Then we have the option to have an URL. By clicking over here to link options, we can open the link in a new window. We can add a nofollow. And by clicking over here to dynamic text, we can link the text to, let's say, to an internal URL. And by clicking over here, and by choosing content, we can search for a different page over here. Like so. And now when someone is going to click on this text over here, it's going to take them to the About page. By clicking on this X over here, we are going to delete the URL. We also have the HTML tag over here. And then the styling. We have the alignment over here. Let me move the structure like so we can see it better. We have the color over here. We also have the global colors over here, and we can customize them by clicking over here. We have the typography, the font family over here, the sizing over here, the width over here. We can transform it to uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, or normal. We have styling like italic, and we also have decorations like underline, overline, or line through. Then we have the line height. We can see the differences between the lines over here, like so. The letter spacing and the word spacing, like so. We can once again click over here back to default. And here we have the global fonts like so. And we can customize them by clicking over here. If we want to add the settings that we have made over here as a global font, we can simply click on this plus over here. Then we have the text stroke and the color over here. And we have the text shadow. We can change the color over here like so, and the opacity over here. We can change the blurring over here and the distance like so. And we also have the blend mode. And we also have some advanced settings over here.